Alright, let's look at the homework 8.1, 8.2, problem number 9. If you are dealt 8 cards from a shuffled deck of 52 cards, find the probability of getting 4 queens and 4 kings. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so let's call this event E. So we're talking about the probability of this event E. Alright. Right, so we have to find and count the number of ways to get 8 cards out of 52 cards. So since poker hand, the order in which you get the cards does not matter, so it's going to be a combination. So it's going to be a combination, and you have 52 cards to choose from, and we're going to have to choose 8 cards. Right, so it's a combination 52, 8. Alright, then we have to count the number of ways to get the 4 queens and the 4 kings. And as you can see that there are actually only 4 queens and 4 kings. So you will have to get all 4 queens and all 4 kings. And you can write it as so you have 4 kings, queens to choose from. And you have to get all 4 of them. And the same thing with the kings. So there are 4 kings to choose from, and you have to choose all 4 of them, right? And those are going to be just one anyway, so because there's only one way to choose 4 cards from 4 cards. So it's 1 on top. So I'm not gonna you're gonna have 1 on top. So we just have to compute that number. So this number actually is going to be pretty big. So I'm going to just cheat a little bit. So this is by definition 52 factorial over and 52 minus 8 factorial, 8 factorial, right? So I'm going to bring out the GeoGebra to compute that. So we're going to have 52 factorial. Right, divided by 52 minus 8 factorial, and you're going to have to divide by 8 factorial. Right, so you're going to get that number there. So it's 752. So this is going to be 1 over 752. Of course, I don't remember all the digits. So 538. 538 and then 150. Alright, so let's type that number in. Alright, so this came out to be 752 and 538 150. And this is going to be 1 over that number. 1 over. Oops. Actually, let's see, how do I do this? Maybe I have to copy that. So 752 538 150. 0. Right, then I just have to get rid of that number. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, let's see, did I put the number correctly? Alright, 5, let's see, I'm gonna go get that, 752 538, oh, see, I put the wrong number there. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright. Got that? So computations are correct, that I just didn't type it in correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.